The benefit of the thing that we are good English, Bengaluru ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. whatever it is, okay. ಮೆಗಾ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫರಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೂ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫರಾರಿ, ಫರಾರಿ ಮಾರಿದ ಫಕೀರ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮಾಂಕ್ ಹೂ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫರಾರಿ. ಅದು ಮಾಂಕ್ ಹೂ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫರಾರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ he spoke of something, the day 1, the day 2, so he spoke of believe that you are a masterpiece. Okay, go back to nature, then write a personal journal. ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಬುಕ್. ಥಿಯರಿ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬುಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನು 30 ದಿನ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ವ್ರತ ಥರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೋಹನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮೋಹನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, whoever they are, in whichever age group they are, whatever challenges. For example, my daughter is studying PUC. She has to, I wish she gets in a good corporate law school. Okay? Challenges of me different. Challenges for him is different. Challenges for him is different. Challenges for you is different. It's not in my hand. It bugs me. Okay? It's not in my hand. Okay? But my daughter belongs to me. Whatever happens to her, it happens to me. Okay, you got it? So, my son is 10, your future, definitely. So, everybody has an issue, personal issues. It is not for me now, it's for others. Earlier, when we are struggling, we are doing for ourselves. In the middle age, we start doing for others. Afterwards, we are nowhere wanted. Nobody wants us. That's true. So, before you become nobody wants it, you find meaning. That's all. After 65, 70, nobody wants you. Okay? But at that time, your isolation should be a great experience. Varalva, thank you. Don't bug me. I'm in a blissful state. Get into that. Don't worry about loneliness, ekanta. ಏಕಾಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ರೀ. ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಏಕಾಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಫ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮೀ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಬುಲ್, go around, nobody asks us, nobody there. I say it's a spiritual book. Nobody is there. Nobody asks you where you're going, where you eat, ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಈ ಥರ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, you can act like a strong man. You don't have to think that you are a waste body. Okay? Please never think like that. Okay? Never think that you are a waste body. You can do a lot of things. Okay? The last we'll read, but not going into 30 days. It's not possible. Okay? Buy the book tomorrow morning. It's called the Mega Living.
ಕವರ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಜೋರ ಬುಕ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೇ 14. He says break all the rules. Okay, up to here read loudly.
Break all the rules. Super achievers of this world, those people who live each second to the maximum and are living their dreams, have one thing in common. They accept no limitations on what they can have from this life. You too must set up the rules about what you can become, what you can do with your life, the rules about the health that you must have, and the limits on the fun in your day. Why can't you become a millionaire, sail around the Caribbean, travel to Bali, write a best-selling novel, run a marathon, or learn to fly? Change your mindset today. Start getting exposed to the people of this world who have done these things with much less ability than you. If someone says you are too old to start your own business, think otherwise. If someone says you are not fit enough to become a competitive runner, train harder than ever and show them that they know nothing about who you are. Exercise. Dreaming for personal excellence. Make a list of top 10 dreams that you have. Be creative, and the more fun, the better. List only those things you really want to have happen. Now think emotionally about what it would feel like if those dreams came true. What would your family say, and how would it improve your life? Next, write out one thing you will do over the next day, no matter how small, to get on the path of attaining your dreams. If your goal is sailing to the Bahamas, sign up for sailing lessons tomorrow. Do it. If your goal is to start a business, look for one of the many seminars available on the subject and go to it. Meet others who want to do same thing for ideas, inspiration, and motivation. Take action every single day to move towards your dreams. If you really want them to come true, if you really want to have all that, is your start today, not 10 years from today.
Thank you. So, what he spoke of the body. Break all the rules, please. Mohan, break all the rules under the sun. Okay? You don't have to be a normal person. You can let them call you abnormal. So, you don't have to get a great name and suffer inside. Break all the rules. And as he said, dreaming. Always the famous quotation I always quote is, have dream in your eyes and fire in the belly. You don't have dream in your eyes and fire in the belly, life is waste. At whatever age, I'm not telling you, even if you're 80 plus, you can do that. I don't think anybody is 80 plus. I'm telling the definition and the equations of life changes. For a young man like Ganesh, the challenges are different. People who are in 60, the challenges are different. Okay, and never say don't consider you are old or something like that. You can always, there's nothing. It's not too late to do anything. You can always start afresh. Break all the rules. Dream, and ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ. You want to go to Bahamas? Okay. Dream of going to World Tour. You can do that. Dream of having a house. Dream of having a great education for children. Dreaming is it's actually conscious dreaming. I'm not telling daydreaming. Consciously dream. The thoughts are manifesting into that direction. If you dream it just without any feelings, it's just daydreaming. You have to have feelings. I want to go to America. I want to spend 60 days there. Fully funded by somebody. But somebody we don't know. Somebody will come. But the logical mind says it's not possible. But I'm not talking about logical mind. I'm talking about magical mind. Miraculous mind. Meaningful coincidences. That is why I'm telling you, raise your level of energy from inside, not outside. Outside you may look very dynamic, but inside you have a heart of a sheep. What is it? You have a heart of the sheep, a lion inside. You don't have to be. When the time comes, people will see your lion put. You don't have to show you are a lion. And so many people do that mistake of showing off that they are very dynamic, but they are not actually dynamic. They are very weak inside. Those are very quiet and calm. A tough situation they produce, they are actually rise to the occasions. Absolutely. We overestimate, we underestimate a lot of people. All this, don't do it. Physical conditioning. Next day he talks of exercise is the secret fountain of youth. He says again he talks of exercises. And exercise at least 20 minutes. He says every. First say to yourself what you would be, and there what you have to do. Okay, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅದರ್. then whatever you have done exercise, beat it. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ extra. You run for 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes. Just increase the level of even your body tenacity or strength. Lastly, it talks of character. Again, three. It talks of mind, body, character. Character is something which you are really inside. Be the most enthusiastic person you know. Be kind, be strong and serene. Serene means silent inside. Act youthful. But act youthful. You don't have to. You can fake it until you make it. Okay. Fake it. So what? I am 16 having 45 years of experience. My age 16 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತೋಗಿದೆ 45 ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. My age is stopped at 18. I got 20 years experience, 30 years experience. Why don't you fake it until you make it? That's not what NLP says it. If you fake it, one day you'll make it. So act young first, okay? And go to bed early and wake up 6 a.m. Before 6 a.m. he says, pray and meditate, he says. Control your emotions, never get angry, count 1 to 10 if you get anger. Eat moderately using light food, have balanced diet. I don't touch that. Be honest in everything you do, be noble and courteous. Guard your reputation. Fast once a month. Very important. ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಯಾಮ ನಿಯಮ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಯೋಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay? Achieve your dreams, think big and keep it simple. See, one thing is, the beauty of this is, ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಉದ್ದೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. That's why I call Robin Sharma a Zen master. ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆಸರು Zen. People call me, no, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಥಡೇ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಇದೆ. How you are strong and also very, soft. Very soft, very hot, very strong. How you can be that? How can you both? So that is purely Zen. Okay. Zen and this what he talks. You have to have a lot of energy with you, but use it in the right purpose, not against some ant. Okay. You compete with your level. Don't compete with somebody small. Compete, increase your levels. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. 2 hours I dedicated to pray, meditation, pranayama, yoga, walking, only for mind and body. Why don't you do that? You get up at 6, up to 8 you devote, or get up at 5, up to 7 you devote it. It takes care of mind, meditation, pranayama, okay, and walking and taking bath, whatever, it is something to do with mind and body. And next ask, what am I courteous today? Am I dreaming? For example, dreaming another full right brain approach. It's totally a right brain. Not many people knows it. Okay? People struggle hard to pay 20 lakh loan for 20 years. I've seen people. Whereas the guy who is a businessman, smart businessman, he gets 20 lakhs from his friend and pay back in 6 months. I've seen people. I think I somewhere closer to the second one. I don't know. You all think that banks are there to invest crores, not 20 lakhs and 10 lakhs. I was telling somebody, why? 3 lakhs you took loan from KSFC for what? Putting up some sewing machines? 3 lakhs, somebody would have given you a hand loan. Somebody, if you have a good loan, goodwill. I mean, the problem is we limit ourselves. Why the money, others people money, we call it as, Napoleon Hill ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. If you don't have money, other people has it. Why you only think bank has it? The problem is bank has it, institutional finance. But if you have, if you can make a partner who is a money, that means Lakshmi, you have Saraswati, why don't you join and do something? After 2 years, maybe he will have Lakshmi, you will have Lakshmi, he will have Saraswati. Afterwards, separate. Go, bye bye. See you. Because you have got the Lakshmi, he has got the Saraswati. He didn't know how to run the business. You know how to run the business, but you don't have money. The problem with most of us is they try to do on their own. A lot of youngsters, I counsel them, tell them, don't try to do on your own everything. You will make big blunders. Always have a person who is a little experienced. Okay, accept for 25% share. Work for a salary. Get experience. Get experience first. After you get the experience, the other things will come. So, especially we all belong to business. At the age of 29, I quit my company, which I was working for a construction company. I started on my own with just 5,000 rupees on bike and maybe in my garage in Vijayanagar house. And there are still the Zen interiors. On that they were put paint. And the board is still there, Zen. It's the only Zen here. Oh, small. You know how much it is? 3 inches by 3 inches. It's small. It's called Zen. 1995. What do you say? So it's called area. Who will give my work? I have people. People will give. Believe that people will give. People will give. But if you get into this lot of last week I was talking employee structure. I'm sorry about people who are employed. Sometimes employee thinks in terms of security. A self-employed thinks of a next level. A businessman thinks differently. A businessman hires employees. He has systems, forces, everything intact. Even if he doesn't sit in office, his things will. But there's a great guy called investor. He's a ghost. He's a ghost. I think the whole world is controlled by investors today. Okay. You can have a CEO and run your business. You don't have to sit in your office. You can play golf, go on a tour and come back after 1 year. Still dividends are flowing. It's all dreaming. If you think you can, you can. If you don't think you can, yeah. If a security model, especially people who cross 40, ಕೇಳಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ business That's why I ask if somebody is there, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಯೋರ್. Can you give your resignation letter? Tomorrow morning give. What I should do? You have what money for 6 months? Then you don't know. You want acceptance of your family and your wife? Then who else you are? Are you responsible for neighbor? You are not going to answerable to your neighbor. You are not answerable to somebody who is X, Y, Z. As long as your wife and children and your family is with you, why you worry about others? That's all I said yesterday also I was talking to somebody. He is not ready to work for somebody. But at the same time he doesn't have the expertise to be on his own. You know, Mohan, we can manage losses, we can manage failures. But it's very difficult to manage profits and very difficult to manage success. This is what he talks about. Zero to hero we become. Managing the herohood is a big challenge. There comes the spirituality, there comes the meditation, there comes the guru. You know, what is Swartha? What is this Swartha? Swartha, yes. I am there. My business is for Swartha. This one is Swartha. Both getting. You can also do that. Go back and do it. Swartha, yes. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಓಕೆ ಪರೋಪಕಾರ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ can change life, but don't take it very lightly about mega living, because he is a result oriented person, Robin Sharma, and maybe 30 days, 7th or 8th or something, we meet second Saturday. We come back and realize that, yes, Prem has initiated into mega living. I want to think big, okay? Because especially about 3-4 people who are sitting here, I know their backgrounds. They should take it more seriously, rather than not others should not take seriously. Everybody should take it seriously, even including me, okay? If you want to bring change in your life, you have to do homework, boss. Sorry. You can't just have a cake just like a servant. No, no easy, no lunch, no free lunches. You have to give your best. Read this book, don't theory, practical. Bring it to practice. Don't bring out negative affirmations. I'm not well, the world is cruel, I'm struggling. People are not trustworthy. These are the negative things which you have created for yourself.
Yes.
And you attract such people only. Okay? So the moment you change, people are trustworthy. I am trustworthy first. First be trustworthy yourself. Trustworthiness is the first thing which you need to develop yourself. Then you talk of trustworthiness of others. So it's a mirroring. You attract what you are. Somewhere deep conscious you are not trustworthy. Somewhere you attract such people. Not trustworthy. So if you bring honesty deep within you, you will attract only honest people, loyal people. They will cooperate with you. Just open your gates and go, do your. They will give cooperation. Come. See, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಕಾರ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸಹಕಾರ ಗಳಿಸಿದೆ. ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಆದರೆ ಸಬ್ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಅನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟತೆ, ಅನುಮಾನ, ಅವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, all those things are deep within ourselves. First clean this inside self first. ಟೇಪ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಬುಕ್ 30 days, please everybody, I assume that everybody buys it. Okay? If you don't have, please buy it. Invest. Okay? Robin Sharma, don't give any commission to me. Okay? If you buy this book, I earn 150 rupees. Okay? I will earn 150 rupees. That will belong to me. If you buy Jana Kasturi, I will get 30 rupees. That's all. That's the only thing we sell here. We don't sell anything. So if we buy this, Robin Sharma, the company will get it. But your life will be changed.